Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. I am your maths teacher. Okay, what we have studied in our last session? We have started one new concept, that is Roman number system. Okay, now in last session we have studied two rules. Let us revise quickly. What is the first rule? The numerals I, X, C and M can be repeated to represent the number, but how many times? Only 3 times. Okay, and symbol V, L, D are not repeated at all. And what is the second rule? A smaller numeral written to be right of the numeral of greater value is always added. See, for example, a smaller numeral written to be right side. See, this is 5 and this is I says 1. See, this is smaller, where we have written always we write numeral beside, means right side of the greater value. Whenever it comes in this way, what we have to do? We have to add. Okay, got it? Now we will see the third rule. Now see the third rule. What is the third rule? A smaller numerals written to be left of the numerals of greater value is always subtracted from the greater numeral. For example, see this, I and V. I represent as a 1 and V represent as a 5. So how it is written? A smaller numeral written to the left side of greater value, isn't it? So whenever it is like this, what we have to do? The value is always subtracted from the greater value. Got it? Now rule number 4. When a smaller numeral is placed between two numerals of greater value, it is always subtracted from the greater numeral immediately following it. Now for example, see here. Now X represent as a 10. Now I and V. See, I represent as a 1 and V represent as a 5. Then what we have to do? We have to subtract immediately, like 10 after 10 plus. Whenever it comes, like what? When smaller numeral written to be left side of the greater value, what we have to do? Subtract. So we have done here 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 become 4. So 10 plus 4 is 14. Got it? In this way. Keep in your mind. Now, what you have to remember most? The symbols I can be subtracted from V and X. Keep in your mind. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X. The next is the symbol X can be subtracted from L and C. Very important, you have to keep in your mind. And the last, again what is there? The symbol C can be subtracted from D and M. The symbols V, L, D are never subtracted. Okay, got it till here? So this you have to keep in your mind. Now, as we have seen, there are 7 alphabets are there in Roman numbers. So using that 7 alphabets, we can write Roman numbers till 1 to 100. Okay. Actually, to write only 1 to 100, we required only I, V, X, L and C. Now we will see some examples. The question is, write the following in Roman system. In the Roman system, for example, they had given 48. Whenever they give one number, what we have to do first? We have to expand the number. Given number, we have to expand. Okay, see, 48, how we can expand? 40 plus 8. Okay, so 40 we write as a X and L. And 8 we write as a V triple I. So students, what you have to do? First you have to write Roman numbers in your Math CW 1 to 100. once you will write everything now, so you can do this automatically. Okay, I will send you 1 to 100 Roman numbers through WhatsApp. Got it? Now 40 represent has a XL and 8 represent as a V triple I. So just add together and write together. Understood? In the same way, second example, 77. 77 expanded form is 70 plus 7. So 70 we write as a LXX. Okay, and 7 we write as a VII. See 70. Oh, it's okay. I will tell you while solving the exercise. Now 98. 98 expanded form is 90 plus 8, and 90 we write as a X and C. 8 we write as a V triple I. So together 98 in Roman number XCV triple I. Got it? Now exactly vice versa. Write the following in the Hindu-Arabic system. Hindu-Arabic system you know na? We write numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have studied till 1 crore. Okay. So what they will do in this question? They will give the Roman numbers. We have to write those numbers in Hindu-Arabic system. Now see what they had given, LXXVI. Now we have to expand this Roman number. What is there in this number? One L is there. Together X you can write because double X means 20 and VI value we know. So I have written, we have to write in this way. So L means 50, double X means 20, VI value is 6. So just add together, 50 plus 20 becomes 70, 70 plus 6, 76. Now one more example. Okay, see in this X and C value is 90 and V double I value is 7. So 90 plus 7 is equals to 97. Understood till here? Yes. Now we will start our exercise 1.10. Okay. Write, what is the A question? Write the following in the Roman system. So they had given Indo-Arabic system. We have to write in Roman number. Exercise 1.10. A question. In that first one we will solve. What is the first question? 19. They had given 19. Now what we have to do? First we have to expand the number. So how we can expand 19? 10 plus 9. Okay. So 10 represent, how we represent in Roman? Has X, and 9 we write as I and X. Okay. So write together X, I, X. Got it? Understood everyone? Very easy. Now we will take third one. What is the third question? 39. Now we have to expand first 39. How we can expand? Write first digit as it is. How many numbers are remaining? One digit number. So write 0 and remaining 9 as it is. Now how we write 30 in Roman? Yes students, we write 30 as triple X. Now how we write 9 in Roman? We write as a I and X. Okay. So just write together, add together this Roman number. So we get Roman triple X, I, X. Got it? Yes students, understood? Very easy. Now we will solve one more example. Now I will solve 7th one. What is the 7th one question? 88. Okay. Now see the question 88 is there. First we have to expand this 88 number. See how I am going to explain. Just keep in your mind 5 letters. Which are those? I, X, V, L and C. So 88 we have to expand first 50 because 50 value we know has a L. Okay, so just expand first 50 and again what is remaining? 88 minus 50 we do, again 38 is remaining. So I will take 30 because 30 value we know very well, and what is remaining? 50 plus 30 become 80, and what is remaining? 8. Got it? Now tell me, 50 value we write has a L and 30 we write has a triple X, and 8, yes tell me, 8 we write as V I triple I. Okay, so just add all this Romans number together, L triple X V triple I. Got it? Yes students, understood? 7th one? Yes. Now I will solve 9th one. What is the 9th question? 99 they had given. So how we can expand 99? Yes. So once you will write 1 to 100 Roman numbers, you know the value of 90, means how to represent 90 and 9. So I will take directly here 90 plus 9. So 90 we write has X and C. Okay, and 9 we write as I X. So together we write X C I X. Got it? Very easy. Understood? One more example I will solve. Last one, 10th example. Okay? So I am just solving here. Those are hard. What is the 10th one? 96. Okay? So how we can expand 96? 90 plus 6. It become 96. Okay? So 90 value X and L. Why we are saying X and L? Just let me tell you. 100. What is the 100 value, students? Yes. As you know everyone, 100 value is C. Okay. We represent 100 as C. So we have studied in in 4 rules that, see for example, 100 minus 10. It becomes 90. Okay, so 100 represent as a C and 10 represent as a X. So whenever we do subtract and whenever number comes, how? A smaller numeral is written. A smaller numeral is written to the left side of the greater value. We do subtract. So we have to write, how we have to write this? First X and C. So this is 90. Understood? So now, as you understood everyone, 90 value is X and C. Now what about 6? Okay, V and I. V and I is 6. So just write together X, C, V, I. It become 96. Understood? Understood everyone? Clear till here? Now we will move to our next question. What is the next question? See the B question. See, I have solved 5 examples for you. Now remaining 5 are very easy. So you are going to solve by your own remaining 5 examples. Okay? Now just open the canopy, page number 19. You will see the B question. What is the B question in exercise 1.10 only? The B question is, write the following in the Hindu-Arabic system. Okay. Now what they have done? They have given Roman numbers. Now we have to write in Hindu-Arabic system. Okay, let me take first one. X, X, I, X. Okay. Now see this question. Now just see how many Roman numbers they had given in this. You can see here double X is there. Okay. So just take double X plus IX. Okay, so double X represent has a 20 in Hindu-Arabic and IX represent has a 9. So it become 29. Got it? Everyone? Yes? Clear? Very easy. Okay. Now let me solve third one for you. What is the third one? X and L. See, interesting, huh? Very interesting. So we have studied about this number in our rule. What is the rule? A smaller numeral written to be left of the numeral of greater value is always subtracted. Now see, X represent has a 10, L represent has a 50. Now see, this number is like this. How it is? Smaller number is written to the left side of the greater value. So what we have to do? We have to subtract the number from greater value to smaller value. So when we subtract 50 minus 10, we get 40. So XL represent has a 40. Got it? Okay. Once again, you can write in this way and just box this answer. Or else once again write in this way and just box the number. So representation will be good. Now we will solve next question. Now I will take fifth one for you. Okay, what is the fifth one they had given? L, X, 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 L triple X and triple I. See, very big question, huh? So but don't worry. Just we will expand this Roman number, or you can see L. Okay, we know triple X, so I will take triple X, and the next is triple I, so write triple I. Okay, 50 value is L value is 50, triple X value is triple X represent has a 30 and triple I represent as 3. So just do the addition. 50 plus 30, it become 80. 80 plus 3, 83. Understood everyone? Easy now? Yes, very easy. Now we will take next example, seventh one. What is the seventh one? LXI. See, what Roman numbers we can see in these numbers? One X is there, X represent has a 50 and XI we know very well. What is XI? Yes students, XI become 11. So I'll write L represent as a 50 and XI represent as a 11. So when we add together 61. So what is the answer? LXI is equals to 61. Okay. In this way you have to write. Here I forgot again. Let me complete this question. Write once again and just draw nice one box. Okay. Your representation will be good. Understood? Yes students? Now I will solve one more question for you. In Indo-Arabic system also they had given 10 questions. Now let me solve ninth one for you. What is the ninth question? XC triple I. Okay. So XC just now we have studied. Okay, 100 minus 10, it becomes 90. So XC represent has 90. Okay, and triple I, we know everyone triple I means triple I means 3. First let me expand the Roman numbers. XC plus triple I. XC represent has a 90 and triple I represent has a 3. Okay. So just add these numbers together, what we get? 93. So write once again XC triple I is equals to 93 and just draw a nice box. Okay. Understood? Yes students? Understood? Let me solve one more example for you, that is 10th one. What is the 10th one? XLI. Okay. Now see the XL, X and L. X is smaller value and L is greater value. Whenever it is like that, what we do? We subtract 50 minus 10, so we get X and L. So 40 value is XL. Okay. And I, we know everyone, XL plus I. XL represent has a 40. So I'll write here 40 and I represent has a 1. So when we add 40 plus 1, it becomes 41. So how we will write? XLI is equals to 41. Make one proper box. Okay. So here we have completed our exercise 1.10. Just open the Canopy page number 19, students. See what they had given, where you do mistakes while writing Roman numbers. Common mistake where happen. Find and explain the mistakes in the Roman following numbers. Okay, 14. See the 14. 14 they have written, how you write? It happens. So you should not do these mistakes. So they had given these are the common mistakes. You can do this. So you should not do. That's why they had given these numbers. So 14. When we expand this 14, 10 plus 4. So 10 represent has a X and 4 means 4 times I. But we have studied in our rule number 1, I we can repeat only 3 times. So we cannot repeat I 4 times. So it is totally wrong. So how 14 will write? XIV. This is the correct one. This is wrong one. So it happens. So you should not do this. Now what about 9? See, as you know, V says 5 and I says 1. So what you will do? Automatically V, I 4 times. So first of all, I 4 times repetition is not allowed. And then what about 9? How you find out the 9? So 10 minus 1, it becomes 9. So 10 represent has a Roman X and 1 represent has a I. So we have studied in our rule number 3 that a smaller numeral written to be the left side is always subtracted from greater values. So how we will write while writing I and X? So 9 represent has IX. Understood? So this is wrong. This one is correct. Now what about 40? Till X also we can repeat only 3 times. Till 30. Then what about 40? We cannot repeat X 4 times. So in same rule will be applied here also. How we get 40? 50 minus 10 is equals to 40. So 50 represent has L and 10 represent has X. So whenever we do subtract, we write number, smaller number left to the greater number. Okay, X and L. So you should not write 4 times X. This is wrong. 40 represent has X and L. Got it? Now what about 15? See the 15. How you will write? How you will do the calculation? 15 expanded form like 5 plus 5 plus 5. No, that is not correct. 50 expanded form is 10 plus 5. So 10 represent as a x and 5 represent as a y. So we get value x and v. See, v, the letter of v does not repeat. We can write v only one time. So we cannot repeat v 3 times, not even 2 times. We write has only one time only. So keep in your mind. This is wrong. This is correct. Now what about 25? See how they have written 20. How you can write 25? X plus x. It become 20 and v and x. This is totally wrong. We cannot write in this way. So when we expand 25, 20 plus 5. So 20 value is double x and 5 value is v. So it become xxv. xxv. This one is correct. Understood? Okay? Clear? So today we have completed our first chapter, that is large number. Now what you are going to do? See, today we have solved exercise 1.10. First, before solving exercise 1.10, write Roman numbers from 1 to 100. Okay? Once you will write 1 to 100, then start solving exercise 1.10. I have solved 5 questions which are very hard and which are very easy. I have left for you. So you are going to solve those questions in your rub book to practice it. Now what is there in on page number 19? Mathematics A, and after that on page number 20 mathematics B. So whatever we have studied in exercise 1.1 to 1.10, all the questions are repetition is there for practice. So I expect from you that you have to solve this mathematics A and B by your own, which you can write in the textbook itself. So just do in textbook itself only. Okay? And if you feel any queries, if you find any difficulties while solving mathematics A and B, I am always there to solve the queries through our Google Meet. Okay? So in our next session we will start our second chapter, that is addition and subtraction. Okay? Till that time, take care. Bye bye. Thank you everyone.